today's video, we are going to Pittsburgh Auto Show. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you always guys for watching. See you there. Yan. Yan. Punta na naman kami dito guys. Ayan, dito na. Mag-wait ako kay Habi. And now, ako'y mag-wait sa kanya. Kasi maghanap pa siya ng park. Oh, andito na kami, oh. Grabe. Kaganda ng mga sasakyan. No touch. Wow, ang cute na ito, oh. Ayan. Ayan. Ayaw ako videohan, so ako na lang mag-video. Ganda ng mga sasakyan. Grabe, Lamborghini. Meron na naman ako, free. Color orange. Ang dami na naman mga furry. No, I am not yet. Ganda yung mga t-shirt, oh. Guys, I find the color yellow. Grabe, oh. Purple. Holy moly. Yung asawa ko, ayaw ako i-video. Ayan, tignan mo, may color yellow na car. Color red. Tapos kami na ng color red. Masyado talaga. Ayaw ako i-video. Jet ski. Ay, grabe. I can buy this. $13,000. But I don't know how to operate that. Ito, pwede pa. Oh, kaya mga BMW yan. $8,000. So we are going now upstairs. Second level. Ay, no more now. Wala na si Wonder Woman. Wonder Woman is her earlier. Ayan, magbinantay na naman ako. Ayaw niya kasi ako picturein. Punta na kami sa taas, guys. Nasa roof. There is a rooftop terrace. Oh, diba? Huwag mo siyang hawakan. Tangay. Grabe, tingnan mo. Bentley. Holy moly. This is so very nice. What? Ay, wow. Guys, grabe. How much is that? Holy moly. 370. Oh. They don't want you to touch. Yan guys. Ganda dito, oh. The river is frozen. Yan na. Pag ako nanalo ng loto. Grabe, tingnan mo. Oh. Nice. It's so very nice. Uy! They got a frozen lake. A frozen river. Allegheny River. Grabe, look at that. Grabe. Can't drive that. Holy moly.
Okay. And this is the
Expensive sport. Grabe, oh. Ganda. It's very nice. $79,000. Just I'm enjoying the car show here in Pittsburgh. Ay, yung suplado ko sa amin. Grabe, ah. Yayamanin. Oh my gosh. Grabe. Oh, I like that Mini Cooper. I like the blue one. It's like the color of my car before. Oh, oh. I cannot drive this in the snow. How cute. Tingnan nyo guys. Mini Cooper. I can't drive that in the snow. This one is nice too. So very nice. Diba? Ang ganda. Tingnan mo ah. That's a Mini Cooper. Diba? Ganda. Grabe, 43,000. Tara! Hindi ka pwede sa snow. Dito na tayo sa Volvo. How you pronounce that? Volvo. I don't like the long. Oh, I like this one. See, just like that SUV type. Grabe, ang ganda. Last forever. Yan. Puro na lang lagi mukha ko. Yan, dito na tayo guys sa Jaguar. Oh, Defender. What? I like this Defender. Grabe, look at that. Holy. Grabe guys. Ang ganda. Mamma mia. Woo. How many seat? There's a lot of seater, Hannah. It's a lot of, you like family. Egypt, frozen river. It's an artificial. Allegheny River. Range Rover. It's nice too. Masyado yung kasama ko. Grabe. Oh, there's a color red. Sa mga BMW na. Wow! Look at this color red. Pang Japorms. Grabe guys. Ay, electric. It's very nice. Of storage. Wow! Kambot siya. Grabe, ang ganda. Grabe, BMW. Holy moly. Look at that. I know, it's an electric. Guys, we're going inside now. I want to see the Jeep. Yan. Dito na kami sa Ford. Oh. Tiyada! Kukunti lang. Grabe, ang laki na ito. Oh, meron ka niyan. Yan, laki niyan. Yan, pinamimigay lang nila yan. Ayun o, dami na naman. Nandito na tayo sa mga Nissan. Oh, Happy Valentine's Day! It's color red. Oh, diba? Bagay. Color red yan. Color of the year. Tada! Ganda rin yan, no? Mint green. Murano. Ganda rin. Ayan, for the family. For the fambam. Pero electric siya eh. Electric. Grabe. Pang pamilya. Tapos may upuan pa dito, ilang seaters. Ang dami. Ganda rin siya, color gray. Kaso mga electric. Sabi ko sa iyo color of the year talaga eh. Blue. Oh, di ba? Ganda. Integra. Like a sports car. Alam mo magkano yan? Yan. Made in the USA. Eh, sa Honda. Oh, yes ah. Tingnan mo, color orange. Ganda. Ito yun eh. Sa harap ng bahay namin. Passport. Ayan na sa Kia. Han. Ganda rin pala. Kia. Anasia. Carnival. Grabe, this is the big one. Oh. That's so very cool. Nice. Ay, ang ganda na ito. Color black. Ayan, maganda rin may lemonade. Ganda rin, no? Oh. Color red talaga yun. There's a color yellow, gold, metallic. It's very nice. Ayos ah. It's not bad. 32,000.
I know. What do you guys do the rest of the day? Just hang out here?
Holy
No, not the rest of the
moly.
day. We're gonna go.
How much, Han?
Yeah, he and her.
Wow. Gusto ko rin yung color na ito. Old Rose. $50,000. Tiyana! Ay, grabe, napakaganda. Honda. Wow, this one. Go up in Tibiao Mountain. It's a nice Honda. It's a red. Because it's Valentine's. Nice. Color lahat. Color red. Oh. Si Valentine's nga eh. Wala, tingnan mo ito. Ang liit oh. Tiyana! Oh, diba? Cute. Grabe. Oh, tingnan mo yung Bronco. Oh. Yan na. Ang ganda oh. Oh. Sana.
It does seem a little odd when you
$64,000.
Yeah, it's already.
Ready, set. Ford. The MA chip. Mo. Lagayan yan sa harapan. Pero electric siya. Grabe oh. Ang laki. Tiyana! Pang karabas. Yun. Siya. SUV type. Grabe, pang harabas. How much? Oh. Pang pamilya, guys. Guys, saan ka pa? Laki-laki niyan. Bagay sa akin yan, guys. Oh. Sabi mo, laki. Oh, Grabe, ang ganda. Ano naman? 1938. Ay, wow. Ang babaeng gala. Oh, this one. Look at this one. Ayos, oh. Got a park for 28,000. Ang galing. 28,000, it's 44. Ford. Ang talaga, o kumuha ka ng ilang gusto mo, isa lang kinuha ko. Grabe, Mustang. Guys, color blue na naman. How much? $7,000. Guys, ganda. Ganda. Yan yung bagong Bronco. Oh. Grabe, Explorer. This is Dora the Explorer. Ganda rin siya. Ay, wow. Raptor. 4x4. Ayan. Grabe, ang ganda. Go up. Guys. Tingnan mo kung magkano. $60,000. Tala! Na kami sa Monday. Ayan. Ay, may color yellow. Ganda rin siya. $21,000. I like it. Lemonade. Guys, ang ganda. Chevrolet. Ito rin pang pamilya. Tara! Sabi ko sa'yo, color red talaga lahat ngayon, oh. Puro na talaga ako sa Bakura. Color red na naman. Electric. Oh, electric. Ayawan ka charge karon. Oh, Silverado.
Oh, the Monitor. We're getting one here.
There again, color red. Red truck. Tada! It's like my car. Chevy Equinox. Okay guys, malapit na kami sa Toyota tsaka sa Jeep. It's Subaru. Very nice. Ang ganda rin siya.
What is that?
Oh, Mercedes-Benz, oh. Grabe, oh. 90,000. Mercedes-Benz. Tingnan mo naman. 130,000. Ay, grabe. Oh. Tiyana. Ayan, dito na sa Jeep. Pang-Jeep lang ako. 4x4. Copyright ako. Alfa Romeo. Nakata. Ayan. Ganda ng car. Dito na sa Toyota. Ayan. Tiyana. Ayan, may color red. I want na 4x4. Toyota. Tingnan mo. Ayan, malaki-laki siya. That's Monado. Oh. No more now. Toyota Waygo. Yan. Kukuha na naman tayo ng bag. Yay! I want to get one bag too. Ayun, sinamimigay nila. Toyota. Let's go places. Ayos ah. Color red. Yan. Toyota yan. Corolla. Parang Toyota Wego. Ayan, pang pamilya talaga. Oh. Pang Tibiao Mountain. Grabe ang mga 64,000. It's 90,000. Han, it's very nice. Yeah. Very nice. Grabe. $71,000. Ganda. Hindi mo alam kung magkano. $74,000. Grabe. Yan, ganyan yung car ko. Sus. Kaya lang may wheelies. I don't like that wheelies. Yan. One door lang yan, guys. Oh. Diba? Ganyan car ko, guys. Four-wheel drive. Yun. Pang Amerika talaga. Ayan. Patapos na. Yan na. Patapos na. Yan lang yung jeep, oh. Ayan. Pauwi na kami. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye! Yan. Pauwi na kami, oh. Oh, diba? Wow! Ayan, kami, ay, it's nice weather.